stamped on my Liberty bibs, what a Levi Garrett packed between my lip and my gum. America. Got mud kicking off of my Red Wing boots, sweat stained tank top in my leather loops, keep it tucked. America. Back to back, undefeated World War champs. So take a cup, raise it up for my Uncle Sam. You know, look now. And before we're done, yeah, we'll probably send a man to the sun. America. Got a 12-gauge Remington on my gun rack, stars and stripes flying high off of the back of my truck. Of course it's 4x4, America. Buck Andrews, Colonel Sanders, General Lee, home of the brave and land of that and country girls, America. Yeah, we're back to back, undefeated World War champs. So take a cup, raise it up for my Uncle Sam. You know we sent a man to the moon, and before we're done, yeah, we'll probably send a man to the sun. America. Buck. Truck. Chuck Norris. Allegiance to the flag, America. I crack a cold one and tip it on back to America. I got a right to bear arms for my barbed wire tab in America. I'm gonna warn you if you try to attack America. That we're back to back, undefeated World War champs. Take a cup, raise it up for my Uncle Sam. There's about a zillion reasons to love where I'm from, but all you really gonna need is one. America. That's right, America. USA Navy. We invented mud tires, aluminum cans, and freedom. I'm from America, how about you? Got that right. In 1776, Uncle Sam, his bald eagle, found Lady Liberty in her Rocky Mountains. They knocked boots, yelled yee-yee, and boom, there it was. Just like that, America was born. I'm Earl Dibbles Jr., I approve this message. Yee-yee!
Watch where you're stepping around here. Yeah, I got a friend in New York City. He's never heard of Conway Twitty. Don't know nothing about grits and greens. Never been south of Queens. But he flew down here on a business trip. I took him honky-tonkin' and that was it. He took to it like a pig to mud, like a cow to cut. We We all got a hillbilly bone down deep inside. No matter where you're from, you just can't hide it. When the band starts banging and the fiddle saws, you can't help but hollering. When you see them pretty little country queens, man, you gotta admit that it's in them jeans. Ain't nothing wrong, just getting on your hillbilly bone, ba-bone, ba-bone, bone. Preach about hillbilly to 'em, please. Listen to this. Now you ain't gotta be born out in the sticks with a F-150 and a 30-06, or have a Bubba in the family tree to get on down with me. Yeah, Bubba, all you need is an open mind. If it fires you up, you gotta let it shine. When it feels so right that it can't be wrong. Come on, come on, come on, you ain't alone. You ain't alone. We all got a hillbilly bone down deep inside. No matter where you're from, you just can't hide it. When the band starts banging and the fiddle saws, you can't help but hollering. When you see them pretty little country queens, man, you gotta admit that it's in them jeans. Ain't nothing wrong, just getting on your hillbilly bone, ba-bone, ba-bone, bone. Come on, y'all. We all got a hillbilly bone down deep inside. No matter where you're from, you just can't hide it. When the band starts banging and the fiddle saws, you can't help but hollering. When you see them pretty little country queens, man, you gotta admit that it's in them jeans. Ain't nothing wrong, just getting on your hillbilly bone, ba-bone, ba-bone, bone. 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 Well, there it is. I'm always wanting to sing a bone song. People talking about what is and what ain't country. What gives them a right to wear a pair of beat-up boots? Is it the size of your tires and your fires, or your wild-ass buddies? Well, give me a minute and let me hit you with some hometown truth. You can be a cowboy on the Texas plain, or a plowboy waiting on the rain. We're all a little different, but we're all the same. Everybody doing their own thing. I got my dirt road cred when I was 12 on a no-cap tractor hauling in bales, backing in boats, fishing limb lines, running bird dogs through the Georgia pines. Step side covered down in peanut dust. Friday night spotlight, and that was us. It might not have been you, but I can't judge. Just be proud of what makes you country. Does it run in your blood? Did it come from your daddy and mama? Were you converted by an Alabama song on the radio that feels so right? Did you lock eyes with a little green-eyed girl from Jackson? Tell me what got you, I just gotta know. Me, I got my Sunday learning in a live oak church, Silver Queen corn and in the backyard dirt, waiting for the fall to finally come along, so I can grab my gun and get my outside on. Step side covered down in peanut dust, Friday night spotlight, and that was us. It might not have been you, but I can't judge. Just be proud of what makes you country. From a city or a little farm town, whatever kind of square that you drove around. Do you wear it on your sleeve or keep it deep down? You know you gotta let it out. I got my dirt road cred back when I was 12 on a no-cab tractor hauling in bales, backing in boats, fishing limb lines, running bird dogs through them Georgia pines. Step side covered down in peanut dust, Friday night spotlight, and that was us. It might not have been you, but I ain't judging. Just be proud of what makes you country. Whatever makes you country. Your kind of country, they doing their kind of country. I do my kind of country. Whatever makes us country.
South of the Mason-Dixon, working, spitting, hunting, and fishing. Stone cold country by the grace of God. I was gassing up the other day, an old boy pulled up with a license plate from Ohio. Thought, oh good Lord, he's lost. From his Wranglers to his boots, he reminded me of Chris LeDoux. And that Copenhagen smile, the country must be countrywide. In every state, there's a station playing Cash, Hank, Willie, and Waylon, four-wheel cars and four-wheel drives. There's cowboys and hillbillies, farm towns, big cities. There ain't no doubt in my mind, country must be countrywide. It ain't where, it's how you live. We weren't raised to take what we were raised to give. The shirt off our back to anyone in need. We bow our heads before we eat, before we start our day, before we fall asleep. 'Cause in God we trust and we believe. Yeah, we see what's wrong and we know what's right. And old Hank, he said it all, and he said country folks can't survive. In every state, there's a station playing Cash, Hank, Willie, and Waylon, four-wheel cars and four-wheel drives. There's cowboys and hillbillies, farm towns, the big cities. There ain't no doubt in my mind, country must be countrywide. Every state, there's a station. Come on. Y'all better crank this up. In every state, there's a station playing Cash, Hank, Willie, and Waylon, and foreign cars and four-wheel drives. There's cowboys, hillbillies, farm towns, big cities. There ain't no doubt in my mind. There ain't no doubt in my mind. Country must be countrywide.
Conveyor belts, flatbeds, clothesline sunsets, sky blue, barn red. Wind chimes, front porch, good dogs, wood floors, work boots, open doors, and miles of John Deere green. Freedom far as I can see.